Welcome to episode 20 of the 5-Minute Investor Podcast, where Stockhouse columnists Jonathon Brown and me, Trevor Abes, each deliver a 2.5-minute stock profile related to recent news stories with investment implications. This week, we're looking into a pair of profitable Canadian small caps with histories of revenue growth and positive net income, one in the real estate space, the other a pioneer in Internet of Things asset tracking technology. John, I'm back from vacation. Thanks for holding down the fort. I'm eager to hear about your chosen company this week.
Good to have you back, Trevor. And like you said, real estate, always in hot demand. That's what I'm looking at. Killam Apartment REIT. Trades in the TSX under the symbol KMP.UN. It has a market cap, pretty big one, of $2.3 billion, and it's been sitting above $19 Canadian a share since late May. It's operating out of Halifax. Killam has grown into one of the country's largest residential landlords, with a portfolio that spans multi-residential apartments, manufactured home communities, and commercial properties. As of earlier this year, Killam manages over $3.7 billion Canadian in assets. Its core strength lies in its apartment segment, which generates the majority of its revenue across key urban centers in eastern Canada. But what really sets Killam apart is its profitability. In 2024 alone, the company reported $487 million Canadian in net income. That's a big figure for a REIT like this. Now, with the net profit margin exceeding 76%, Killam stands out as a model of operational efficiency and smart capital management. I found this stock at the top of a list on financecharts.com, and the list was of most profitable small cap companies in Canada for July 2025. What I also noticed was that half of the top 10 were all real estate stocks. Killam Apartment REIT stock, once again, trades in the TSX under the symbol KMP.UN. As of this recording, the stock is up over 12.5% since the year began and is up over 5.5% since this time last year. Now for the other side of the small cap figure, Trevor, the Internet of Things. What have you got for us today?
Yeah, John, my stock for big episode 20 is AirIQ, ticker IQ on the TSX Venture Exchange. Market capitalization $10.48 million at the time of writing. AirIQ is a pioneering Internet of Things asset management solutions provider. The company, founded in 1997, has put up some impressive long-term financials and earned investors an impressive return in the process, despite sometimes trading no more than a few thousand shares per day. AirIQ has increased recurring revenue for the past 9 years, including 10% growth to $4.8 million year over year, serving more than 10,000 clients to date with its fleet management solutions, such as video telematics and data analysis, helping them to increase productivity, reduce liability, and prioritize customer satisfaction. The company has supported its top line with positive net income since 2014, posting $203,000 in the fiscal year ending March 2025, and a 5-year high of $3.69 million in 2023, driven by a substantial deferred tax recovery. AirIQ stock has responded accordingly to its underlying company's profitability, adding more than 600% from the start of fiscal 2014 to date, with Mike Robb, AirIQ's President and Chief Executive Officer, showing optimism about the company's prospects for the future in the fiscal 2025 news release. The microcap stock's range-bound chart since 2020, representing only a 38.46% gain, seems to be a response to inflationary as well as tariff concerns, given the company's significant exposure to the U.S., though these concerns have proven to be overblown as evidenced by consistent profits, indicating a potentially undervalued entry point for a long-term investment. As always, you can find links to the articles from today's episode in the show notes, and you can find more investing insights on Stockhouse and the market online. The 5-Minute Investor is on Spotify, YouTube, iHeartRadio, Podbean, Stockhouse, or wherever finer podcasts are found. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you on Monday. This content has been prepared as part of a partnership with Killam Apartment REIT and AirIQ and is intended for informational purposes only. For full disclaimer information, please visit themarketonline.ca/disclaimer.